Hi, I am John. Do you know what vitamins are in lime? Look, let's give a details about lime. Let's get started. Number 1, vitamin C. Limes are an excellent source of vitamin C, which is important for immune system function, skin health, and iron absorption. Number 2, vitamin B6. Limes contain vitamin B6, which is important for energy metabolism, brain function, and the production of red blood cells. Number 3, folate, vitamin B9. Limes are a source of folate, which is important for the production of red blood cells, DNA synthesis, and fetal development during pregnancy. Number 4, potassium. Limes are a good source of potassium, which is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure and heart function. Number 5, calcium. Limes also contain calcium, which is important for building and maintaining strong bones and teeth. Number 6, magnesium. Limes are a source of magnesium, which is important for maintaining healthy bones, nerve function, and heart health. Number 7, phosphorus. Limes contain phosphorus, which is important for the formation and maintenance of healthy bones and teeth, as well as the production of energy in cells. Are you wait for next video? Do you subscribe channel for notification for next video? Don't forget it. Thanks for watching.